My name is Evelyne Jacqz Aigrain. I am a pediatrician and clinical pharmacologist working in Paris in Hôpital Robert-Debré, which is a university hospital. And in GRIP, I am working mainly in the master program in order to develop a training program for pediatrician and clinical pharmacologist, and in work package 6, aiming at optimizing drug evaluation in neonates. Because it's the first time that experts from very different areas are talking together, trying to organize the work that might improve drug evaluation in neonates, from my point of view, and in pediatrics in general. Trying to develop networks for collaboration, trying to develop training program in order to increase the number of people who will be able to conduct clinical trials with in good clinical condition and good clinical practices. And this is quite an important issue for pediatric drug evaluation. Well, it's a difficult question. From my point of view, maybe we are facing differences in the way regulations is implemented in a different EU country. Probably also the difficulties that industry people face when they have to validate plans for evaluating pediatric drugs. Probably also important financial issues, because it's very, very expensive, of course, to develop drug in children. All these aspects have to be discussed and solved with many, many stakeholders, like regulators, like industry people, like academics, including medical doctors, pharmacists, etc. So we have a lot of interactions to organize, and point of view to obtain a consensus on in order to make this move. Well, I'm sure that the first step is that we are going to reach is to be able to organize training of people. And if we do that, we will improve the level of quality for clinical trials in children. We will also make all people around in the hospital, in the industry, etc., aware of all the problems that are linked to drug evaluation in children. And this is very, very important to my point of view, because at the moment I feel that we have industry on one side, we have academic people and pediatricians on the other side, and they probably do not talk together enough, and they do not share viewpoints about, for example, methodology, the use of data, etc., etc. It's not very difficult to convince pediatricians. The problem is that we are not numerous enough to go everywhere. So what we are really aiming to do is produce tools that will be used and that will convince pediatricians that this is a way to go, and to participate, not to be too scared about clinical trials or about the difficulty of running trials or participating in trials.